Have you been going back and forth on the Tesla order page, trying to figure out what's the best way to configure your Tesla? Are you considering upgrading the wheel options on a new Tesla Model Y or new Model 3 Highland? Strap in and hang tight, because I'm going to show you how to save $1,000 or $2,000 and how to spend that money on things that matter the most. What's going on, guys? It's Ricardo, and configuring your new Tesla is a really fun and simple process. The most difficult part is deciding what options to choose from, since there are so many Teslas on the road today and you might want to stand out from the pack. With the customization options available, it's easy to start pricing yourself out of a new Tesla. Take the wheel upgrade options, for example. On the Tesla Model Y, upgrading to the 20-inch induction wheels will cost you an extra $2,000, plus tax and financing if you're going that route. On an updated Tesla Model 3, the 19-inch Nova wheels will set you back $1,000. These choices don't just impact your wallet, they also affect your range, ride comfort, ride noise, and limit your options in the future. That's where companies like EVBASE come in. EVBASE makes affordable wheel covers that allow you to get the unique and distinctive look you're going for while restoring the relationship between you and your wallet. EVBASE was kind enough to send me their Model Y wheel covers inspired by the Tesla induction wheels that cost almost 10 times more. To get the wheel covers ready for installation, I had to install a thin foam lining to protect the rims from getting scratched. After that, I removed the Gemini wheel covers that were included with my Tesla, cleaned the rims, and snapped on the wheel covers. Instead of having to pay $2,000 for the induction wheels from Tesla, you can get these wheel covers for about $150 by using promo code Cardona2 at checkout. That's 7% of the cost, and you don't lose out on the range, ride comfort, ride noise, and other advantages that come with having smaller wheels. Imagine you're like me and you accidentally curb your wheels because of a ridiculously shaped Starbucks drive-thru. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars to repair your wheels, you can upgrade your wheel covers to a better option that not only will improve the look of your car, but protect it as well. My favorite aspect of upgrading to EV-based wheel covers is knowing that I have the flexibility to replace my wheel covers with newer ones inspired by new Tesla wheels as they come out in the future. Not to mention that if I accidentally curb a wheel again, a single wheel cover replacement is only $55, again with the 20% off promo code down in the description below. For the price of upgrading your Tesla wheels through Tesla, you can get the wheel covers of your choice and a bevy of accessories to make your new Tesla experience even better. Take these ventilated seat cushions or electric retractable sunshade, for example. These will not only make your Model Y cooler, but they'll still also allow you to enjoy your moonroof whenever you want to. So make sure you think twice about all the pros and cons that come with configuring your new Tesla with the upgraded wheel options from Tesla. If you've already ordered your Tesla or have had the induction wheels for a long time, EVBASE also has rim protectors that you can pick up to protect your rims from future curb rash or cover up existing damage. Don't forget to check out EVBASE with a special link down below to get 20% off everything and anything on their website. If you already own a Tesla, let me know in the comments how long you've had it and what else are you looking forward to see from Tesla in the future. As a new Tesla owner, I'm excited to join this community and love seeing what everyone does to make their Tesla unique. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more content in the future. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.